A normal pop-up animation usually looks like this, but with a simple trick, a smooth bounce pop-up. Let me show you how. First, add a rounded rectangle. You can choose any color you like. Now tap on the shape layer. Go to Move and Transform, then select Scale. Add 2 keyframes. Set the first keyframe to 0. Set the second keyframe to the normal size. Now open the graph editor. Look at this curve. We are pulling it above the top line. This creates something called overshoot. It means the shape becomes slightly bigger than its final size for a moment. Then the curve comes back down to the line. When this happens, the shape returns to its normal size. This creates the bounce effect. If you pull the curve higher, the bounce will be stronger. If you keep the curve closer to the line, the bounce will look soft and smooth. Now try adjusting the graph yourself. Experiment a little to find the bounce style you like. Small changes in the curve can give you different results. If you want to download Alight Motion template, click the video on the left. And if you want to learn how to make animation step by step, click the video on the right and follow the full tutorial.